Let us look at one or two more questions on the assertion and reasoning series. In this question statement, there are two statements given, and the statement one is phenyl cyanide, that is C6H5Cl. Phenyl cyanide is C6H5Cn, and phenyl cyanide is prepared readily from C6H5Cl, which is chlorobenzene, by the reaction of chlorobenzene with cyanide. It looks like a replacement of the Cl by means of the cyanide. So that is the first statement. That statement is not correct, because this chlorine is directly attached to the benzene nucleus or to an sp2 carbon atom. The second statement is correct. A halogen attached to an sp2 carbon atom is hard to replace. This type of thing, a halogen attached to an sp2 carbon atom, all carbon atoms in the benzene ring are sp2 type, and a halogen directly attached to an sp2 carbon atom is not so easy to replace. Or a nuclear, this is actually what is known as a nuclear halide. A chlorobenzene is a nuclear halide, whereas a benzyl chloride is a side chain halide. This is a nuclear halogen, therefore it is hard to replace. So the correct answer for this question is D, which means statement 1 is wrong, this statement is not correct, whereas statement 2 is correct. So 4 of the 4 possibilities, statement 1 is not correct and statement 2 is the correct statement, then it comes under the category D. Therefore the answer to this question is D, because that chlorobenzene, the chlorine in the chlorobenzene cannot be substituted by a cyanide group. It is, even though it may be a nucleophilic substitution, the nucleophilic substitution is not facile, it doesn't take place, doesn't occur at all so easily. It has to be by some other method that phenyl cyanide has to be obtained.